Greetings, lovely people. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. To all my channel members and all my supporters, a big thank you. If you're here for the first time, what are you waiting on to subscribe? Please go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Put the post notification bell on so you can be notified of future upload. Today, I'm making chicken soup. Let's get into this.
Anything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Nothing at all no left back in the dishes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Sometimes by the water say fishing. Other times in our backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Do the vlog, cook the food, use the fruits, make the juice, and she still have bake sweet pastries for the toad. Sister Jane, your cuisine at the truth. Yeah, hear me. Want know what the on the menu, so me put. Don't know everything you cook it tastes good. So me bite no finger them just as me.
I have some chicken here. Already take out the skin and clean it up. So now I'm washing it with some vinegar. You can use lemon or lime also. So I'm gonna go ahead and soak this in the vinegar for 5 to 10 minutes. Now that I finished cleansing the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and season with season of my choice. Here I'm using some garlic and herb seasoning. Now I'm adding some black pepper. And now I'm adding some chicken seasoning. I'm just gonna go ahead and this up. So this is what my chicken looks like. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator and marinate it overnight. So I'll see you tomorrow when I'm making my soup. So here are some of the ingredients that I'll be using. Irish potato, carrot, chocho, corn, pumpkin, turnip, pimento, thyme, scallion, garlic. Over here I have my soup mix, garlic and herb seasoning, chicken seasoning, and all-purpose seasoning. So here I have the pot on the fire. I'm adding some garlic to that along with some pimento. Now I'm adding the pumpkin and the corn. So guys, I'm gonna have the pumpkin cook all the way out so the soup can have the pumpkin color. I'm adding the chicken. So now I'm gonna stir this all together and then cover the pot, let it go ahead and cook. Over here I have my dumpling dough already mixed. I mix with clean hands and clean heart. And right here I have all the vegetables peeled and ready. Okay. So I'm adding the carrot, the chocho, and the turnip to the pot. In Jamaica, we say chocho. In other countries, they say coyote or Christophine. Yes. Here I have my dumpling already made with clean hands and clean heart. I'm adding the dumpling to the pot. I'm adding the noodles. I saved the noodles so I don't use the noodles. I just use the seasoning. So I just add the seasoning from the noodle soup. I'm adding the scallion and the thyme. Now I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning. And as you can see, the color of the soup started to change, getting the color of the pumpkin, but it needs to boil out some more. So the more the pumpkin cook, the more the soup get thicker. Yes. And this is what the soup is looking like so far. And it is smelling so good, guys. If you're here for the first time and you are not yet connected with me, go ahead, man, do the do. Just subscribe, put your post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. All right, share the video out. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine. You can also find me on Facebook, Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine. Okay? In this kitchen, I cook food, I talk about food, and of course, I eat food. And guys, if you're here and you're not yet connected with my other channel, Sister J's World, please go over and show some love. Thank you so much in advance. So guys, the soup is almost ready. I'm adding a hot pepper. Yes. And some more pimento. And see it there? Just make this simmer down a little bit more. And then we'll be having some chicken pumpkin soup. You see the soup, get the color of the pumpkin? All the pumpkin disappear in the soup, yes. And thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed or you're waiting, just go ahead, man, do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, work good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine. Bless up. Thanks for watching.